Hey guys, this is Minecraft Madness, and today I'm unboxing the Sage gaming headset model SA-902. So yeah, I'll show you what's inside and let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so I opened the box, as you can see right here, and I took out all the stuff. As you can see, I took out all the packaging and stuff. So yeah, this is right here. I don't know what it is, but where is it? I think this is the setup manual and stuff, like where you can put on the computer, and here it is, the headphones. So I'll just show it in detail. Yeah, so let's get, why do I keep on saying that? But yeah, let's see it. This is the headphone, and you know what's cool? It's that when you put this thing, where is it? When you put this thing inside the computer, these headphones things light up. As you can see over here, these red things. It's like I read in the description, and it's saying it's like a snake when their eyes open. It's like a cool design. So yeah, here is the microphone, and it says the model again, the model's number, and like you can put it down, the microphone thing, yeah, down and stuff, as you can see, yeah. And you can stretch the headset. You know, all the headsets have those. And you can see this wire. It's so cool. It isn't like normal. It's like made out of, I forgot the name, but yeah, it's long butt. And over here is like a cool thing that it came with. As you can see, the plus sign to add more volume and the minus sign. And then here's like no sound, and the other one is a microphone thing, like no microphones. And yeah, that's the unboxing. And I might do another one because this is my 30 subscriber special, so I might do more special.